Friends, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, especially if you're over 60 and want to stay active, healthy, and full of energy. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel now. Here, we speak openly, honestly, and without unnecessary discomfort, and you'll learn things that even many doctors don't talk about. After 60, most men and women begin to experience reduced blood circulation in the pelvic area. This affects everything: your intimate life, urinary and reproductive health, bowel function, hormonal balance, and even your mood. Yet very few people discuss this openly, which is a mistake, because there are simple ways to improve blood flow, and your morning routine plays a key role in it. So why does circulation weaken as we age? Over time, blood vessels lose their flexibility. The pelvic muscles become weaker, congestion can develop, and lymphatic drainage slows down. On top of that, the levels of hormones that support healthy circulation begin to decline. All of this leads to reduced blood supply to the organs in the pelvic region. For men, this can impact potency, the prostate, and the bladder. For women, sensitivity may decrease, while the risk of inflammation and organ prolapse can increase. Now comes the most important question: what should you eat in the morning to stimulate blood flow in these lower parts of the body? The answer is simple: foods that support your blood vessels, improve microcirculation, and boost your energy levels. Let's go through the best options. First, walnuts with honey. This is not only delicious, but also highly beneficial. Walnuts are rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps widen blood vessels, while honey supports the cardiovascular system. The recipe is simple: eat 2 to 3 walnuts with a teaspoon of honey on an empty stomach in the morning. Second, warm water with lemon and a pinch of cayenne pepper. This drink gently stimulates your blood flow, boosts metabolism, and activates your circulatory system. Just squeeze the juice of half a lemon, add a pinch of cayenne pepper, and pour warm water over it. Drink it right after waking up. Third, eggs with green vegetables and olive oil. Eggs contain choline, which nourishes the nervous system and supports vascular health. Green herbs, especially parsley and basil, help improve circulation. Fry your eggs in a small amount of olive oil and add a pinch of sea salt. Fourth, a few pieces of dark chocolate in the morning. You may notice an improvement in circulation, not just in your head, but throughout your body. Fifth, tomatoes or tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens blood vessels and improves circulation. Drink a glass of tomato juice before breakfast or add fresh tomatoes to your eggs. Sixth, garlic, one of the most powerful natural stimulants for circulation. It helps cleanse the blood vessels and naturally thin the blood. Crush 1 clove of garlic and swallow it with water about 15 minutes before eating. Yes, the smell is strong, but the benefits make it worthwhile. Now, why is the morning the best time for all of this? In the morning, your blood vessels are more responsive to stimulation. Your metabolism starts to speed up, and the hormones that influence circulation become more active. This is the moment when you set the tone for your entire day. If you get your blood moving early, you'll feel that vitality return, even in the areas that matter most. But what else can you do besides adjusting your diet? Nutrition is essential, but if you truly want to boost blood circulation in the pelvic region, you should add a few simple habits to your morning routine. Start with 5 minutes of squats, even right next to your bed, to activate the pelvic muscles. Take a contrast shower, alternating between warm and cold water, to help expand and contract your blood vessels, which improves circulation. A light massage of the lower back, or gentle tapping of the buttocks, can also increase blood flow to the pelvic organs. These habits are especially important for men dealing with prostate issues, and for women after menopause. The key is consistency. You won't feel much after just one day, but if you follow these steps consistently for 7 to 10 days, eating the right foods, doing simple exercises, and drinking the right beverages, your body will begin to respond. You'll feel warmth, a surge of energy, and even an improvement in your mood. Your desire and your abilities can return, and believe me, that's valuable at any age. If you've made it this far, it means you truly care about your health, and that already puts you ahead. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Here, we speak honestly, openly, and only about what truly matters.